First, you enable and then you empower. Ano bang ibig sabihin yan in the context of leadership? Pag sinabi nating enabling others, we're talking about giving clear expectations, providing the necessary training, coaching, at saka provision of tools and resources, essentially removing barriers for performance. No? So, yan ang support na binibigay natin sa empleyado. Ngayon, yung empowering, if you think about it, comes from giving power, di ba? Which basically means giving them the necessary authority to make decisions within the limits of your own authority to delegate, di ba? And most importantly, ensuring that there's ownership and accountability. Pagka nag-empower ka pero walang enablement, it's parang iniiwanan mo sa ere yung tao, no? Bahala ka na. Gawin mo yung kailangan mong gawin without me being there to provide the necessary support. So, absence of leadership presence, di ba? Pagka naman na nag-enable ka pero hindi ka nag-empower, nasasayang yung enablement kasi yung tao asa pa rin sa'yo. So, you might be enabling negative behaviors. No? So, again, as a leader, first you enable and then you empower. I hope this helps.